There are three types of count functions. Let us look at what each of them will do. We have count, count A, and count blank. The count function counts numerical numbers in a list. Here we have, including 0, 5 numbers. That should be the answer when we select these 7 cells. Office is a character or a string or an alphabetic, so that should not be counted. Let us start with equal sign, count, brackets, and select the whole range of the cells that we want the count to be performed on. Closing the parentheses and hitting enter, it shows us 5. So there are 5 numbers in these 7 cells. Similarly, for count A, it counts both numbers and alphabets. So, including those 5 numbers, the cell that contains the word office should also be counted, but not the blank cell. We'll start with equals, count A, there is no space, count A, parentheses, and the list of the cells we want count A to be performed on. Here you can notice that we got the value 6. Next one is count blank. Count blank gives us the number of blanks in a list of cells. Equals, count blank, notice again there is no space. Start the bracket and select all the cells in the list. Close the bracket and hit enter, and you'll get 1 because there is only 1 blank in the entire list. These are the count functions that are used in Excel. Thank you for watching the video. Have a great day. See you in the next one.